I'm gonna show you an easy way to edit your message. It's a pretty cool trick. Say for instance, go to my message here and I wanna send a message to my daughter. I already got one typed out. Right here, I'm telling her to send me $10,000 and I'll pay her back in 10 years without any interest. I told her, please send it today because tomorrow is not promised. Pretty sure she's gonna laugh at it. But say for instance, I wanna edit this. Before I usually just hit here and move, I wanna go up here and change that 10,000 to probably 100. I have more success. So usually just push on it. But here's a cool trick right here. Hit the space bar right here and hold it. Now you can move it like a mouse. You see that? So I can go up here and change that to 100. Maybe she'll send me 100. I doubt it. So that's pretty cool. You can hit this space bar, just hold it, and then you can move it like a mouse. And that's it. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thank you and have a great day. So again, just hit the space bar and hold it and just move like you want it. It's pretty neat. All right.